Nice meeting.
Hey, John.
Hey, welcome to Los Angeles.
Oh my God.
Actually, we're in Hollywood, California. Isn't that amazing?
It's amazing.
Sunset Boulevard is right out here. See that sign? Sunset
I know.
Boulevard.
I saw you the name out of there in the top. It says Thor.
Thor. There you go.
I love
And
it.
we were just talking about whether I should come out of retirement
I know.
and do some shows. And you heard my tape. Remember,
I loved
played you
it.
some
I
songs?
love that you played me 2 songs. We're in the car, and it was
Yeah.
very inspiration. You know,
Well,
you
you-
had
yeah.
the right energy.
Yeah, well, you said those are good songs. So I said, whoa, maybe I should do something. If Steve said they're good. So now look at this. We got a record out. We got 2 singles out. And we just keep on going. And the tour is happening.
That's
I can't
amazing.
believe it. Can
I
you
love
believe
it.
it? How things are, you know, when you get inspiration from someone like yourself.
I mean, that night when
Yeah.
we sat in your house and we listened to your CDs, that was like, I still believe that's one of my best nights in my life. Just sitting with you, having some vodka,
Well,
listening to your songs.
I think there
I
was.
was in like
Yeah.
cloud 9.
Yeah,
I was
well,
like,
me too. Sharing that with you, it gave me the inspiration because I hadn't heard those songs for years. And you said, bring them out, let's listen to them. And now here we are at one of the most famous places in the world.
It's amazing.
The Whisky A Go-Go, very legendary. The Doors played here. You got Johnny Rivers played here, Kiss, Van Halen. And here we are.
you're going to be
You
here
know,
tonight and you're going to rock the city.
You're going to rock the city, brother.
Yes, always. And you've done already a couple of shows already.
Yeah, we've hit Denver, and that was sold out. The young fans going crazy. They love the new songs and album, and like the old stuff too. And then we went to Salt Lake City, and that got even wilder.
Wow.
So and then I think this is going to be a pinnacle.
I'm
this
so
is
happy
a big
to be
party.
here tonight. I'm really
Yeah.
And after you're doing the show tonight, and what another shows you're going to be doing?
Well, we'll be going up to Portland, and we're going to do 2 shows in Portland,
Oh,
the Hollywood
nice.
Theater and the Coffin Club. So we have so many fans up there. They said you got to do 2 shows.
That's
so
awesome.
that's going to be wonderful. Then we just keep going, and we'll head over to Edmonton and Calgary.
Wow.
Yeah,
So how do it feels to be back on stage?
it feels sort of unreal, kind of, because the last show I did was 4 years ago,
Oh my
before the pandemic. I did it here.
Oh, wow.
Right now, here I am 4 years later in March. They can't stop us, you know.
And you're releasing a new single today.
That's right, Flight of the Striker. It's a special single that I honor Steve Price and Mike Favada.
Great guys, great
Kishnick.
musicians.
Yes, they're great musicians, great guys. They couldn't be here tonight, but you know, I wanted to honor them with the single, and you know, it's doing really well already.
Oh, that's
getting a lot of
that's
hits.
great. That's what I
Yeah.
like about you. You know, you think about people, you know, that helped you, that were there. You know what I mean? And you give back the thanks. You know what I mean? That's
Absolutely.
Jon, Mighty Thor.
Yeah, just like you know, you're always my friend for life.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
we had
all the
such a
things
nice.
you've
I
done,
had such
you
a
know.
nice time in Vancouver.
Oh yeah, Vancouver misses you.
Yeah, I miss
You know,
Vancouver too.
I mean,
That's a beautiful city, and you were such a good host.
Oh,
you took us
yeah.
everywhere. Like,
well, it's my town, right?
Yeah.
So I knew. I said,
and
know,
you really put the red carpet out for us.
yeah. So as soon as you get off the plane, get the red carpet for you know.
And we did.
Yeah, fantastic.
So I can't wait for the show tonight.
Look at this. That's from eating
The
Steve's.
pythons. That's the pythons.
That's from eating your last meal with the black bean burger.
Yes.
It suddenly made my arms get bigger. I don't know. What do you think?
They're huge.
Yeah.
Couple of months, what it was, September, we in Vancouver, and all of a sudden you got an album out.
Yeah.
You're touring, you know, you're doing what you love.
Yes.
It's in your blood.
Yeah, that's in my blood. And movie, I'll be working on another movie coming up. You know, Len Kabasinski from Killer Wolf Films making another movie, and we're going to be in that movie. I got more products coming out. The Vancouver Amazons are going to come out.
Oh, wow.
The new sweaters. I'll get you a nice,
I
beautiful
can't wait
sweater.
to see them, you know.
Oh, it's, you know, because women's hockey is getting huge right now.
Oh.
And this is a women's team that won the world championship in 1922.
Oh my
So
God.
I brought their jerseys back and everything, you know, and we're actually manufacturing them right now.
Oh, nice. What is the
Beautiful
name of
sweater.
them?
The Vancouver Amazons.
Oh,
Watch
I like
out for
the
them.
name. Wow,
It's gonna
I
be
like
great
that.
stuff. Yeah.
All right, so tonight I cannot wait for tonight, John.
Okay, thank you, Steve. You come
Wow.
all the way from New York.
Yes, and
You
I
know,
love it, man.
And,
I
and you
love
want to know
it.
something? I'm gonna give you the best show of your life.
I love it. Every time, listen, every time I
Don't
see
forget
your
it.
stay, let me tell you, every time I see your show, I'm your #1 fan.
Wow, it's
It
fantastic.
just like makes me happy, gets me pumped. You know, I
Yeah.
love watching the crowd. I love watching you with your energy. It's just beautiful.
Well, you've seen it from the early
Oh,
days.
yeah.
You know, when we in the '80s, early '80s, and here we are, all these years later.
What was the place on 17th Street downstairs in
The
there?
underground.
The underground. Wow,
Yeah.
man, you put a
Yeah.
show there. It was unbelievable.
Yeah, that was an
Unbelievable.
incredible show. Gene Simmons came down.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was.
I would never, man. That was
yeah.
some show. Woo.
Yeah, well, we got to try to get better. We're going to do even better tonight.
Yeah.